Okay, so here we are at Siteground, and if you are happy to go to your course resources page and click through to this page through my affiliate link, that would be much appreciated. It costs you nothing further, but I get credited with a sale. And so we want to go up to hosting and web hosting. This is the best way to get a web host account. And you can see here that we have a startup special price, and that after that term, the term that you choose, you would have the regular price available to you. And this startup will suit most people on this course. You can always upgrade later on, and you get one website, 10 gigabytes of space, and the free SSL. Now that could cost you about £30 to £50 on other hosts, but Siteground really just gives this to you, gets you set up very quickly. This is good because that's important for security. And then you've got 30 days money back should you decide it's not for you. So click Get Plan. And you're then given an option to register a new domain, or if you already have a domain, then you could click this button and just fill that in there. But what we're going to do now is look at registering a new domain. And so type it in. And you can see you have the domain registration price there. And I'll just type in my new domain for hosting demo. We won't complete this sale, but I'll take you up to that button. And this is for my new domain for hosting demo.co.uk. So don't forget to choose the extension that you're looking for there, and then click proceed. And we'll do something for a bit, and we see that our domain is available, so we can proceed with setting up our account. Otherwise we would have to try a new domain. So that's available, and now we would need to put in our account information, and this is for your Siteground account, not your domain. That's how you would sign into Siteground and give your client information. Again, that's about your Siteground account. Payment information to Siteground, choose whether you would like to, which card you would use. And then we have extra services, but for the most part, we don't need to concern ourselves with this at this point. The most important thing you might want to look at here is the period that you're purchasing for. So this is 12 months, and that would be the period for which you would have that special price. It would then return to £8.95 per month after that. And that's excluding VAT. And then if we look down at the price, we see we've got the totals there, the addition of VAT. And once you're happy, click Pay Now. I'm already signed into Siteground, and you would be able to do that also. So just go to the website, and login is up here. And once you've done that, you can go into services and see your hosting plan. And I'm on the Grow Big plan, and I could click manage and view the current websites that I have. You won't have one yet. You can also go to domains, just to quickly show you around. You can see how easy everything is to use. What we would like to do, however, is go to websites, and we would like to add a website. So here I have one website on this account, and I can edit it with Site Tools. We would like to add a website, so let's do that. Now here you would actually select your own domain, so you can do existing domain, and then you would click the down arrow and select the one that you have. I will, for the sake of this, have to go to temporary domain, but you click this one, and then we would like to start a new website. This will take minutes. Start a new website, and we would like to select WordPress, and then we just need to put in some login details so that we can sign into the WordPress. So this is our WordPress admin credentials, if you will. Okay, so add a password and onto your email, and there we go, continue. Just close that. Now SG Site Scanner, they're going to offer this to you here, and it's $15.60 a year, exclusive of VAT. It's up to you if you would like to have this security measure. Obviously security is very important, and that costs no more than a couple of bottles of wine. So that's up to you, but I will click finish. And it's creating the site. So what this is doing now is simply installing WordPress onto our hosting package. Okay, so here we are all set, and you can see that my website with this domain, this is a temporary one. Your domain would be, your newly purchased domain would be here, has been created. And of course, you can check out all of these things, such as you can open and view your newly created site. We can access the WordPress admin or go to Site Tools. Now we'll look at this another time, but let's just step by step go through what we need to do. So click on the admin, and we actually don't need to do this because we are sorting our own WordPress website out. So here we are at the WordPress dashboard. Hey there, it's Chris here. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe and share and comment if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next course video.